What's up, Wayne Barron here with Audio-Technica Studios, and it has been quite a while since I've done any videos, and so I decided to go ahead and do this one right here since I just figured out how to do it. And what I'm referring to is, let's go ahead and select everything. I want to come over here to our presets panel, and then we're going to choose our noise reduction, noise, and right here we've got our office. So we're going to go ahead and choose office. I'm going to come over here to this one right here. Okay, so I have been asked many times in the past, how do you save your presets? Okay, so inside of yours is going to be different. Yours is going to be your C drive. So it's going to be your profile for whatever your profile is. And so mine is Cars Croc. So inside of there, you're going to have your app data, your roaming, your Adobe, your Audition, and then whatever version of Audition that you have. And then you're going to have this right here, effects presets. So if we come over here and we open up the effects presets, we will see that we have server room. So what you want to do is that you want to back up the effects presets. So just do like I did, my B drive profile, and then I created a folder for Adobe and then the entire directory structure. So the only thing I've got to do is come over here and then copy this. Whenever I reinstall the system, copy that, come inside of here, and then paste it in here. And once I paste it, it's going to put it in here because I have my roaming profile mapped to this drive. Let's take a look at something else. So let's go ahead and back out of all this. So let's say that you want to make this so that you can easily access all these settings without having to do it manually. So what we do is we come over here to favorites, choose start recording favorites, and it's going to show a pop-up dialog. Just go ahead and choose OK on that. So we're going to select here, then we're going to do the same process as what we did before, and then we're going to save it. Then we're going to come over here to favorites and then choose stop recording favorite, and then we're going to give it a name. I've already done mine, so I'm not going to do it again. So once you do that, it's going to create a favorites.xml file. So we're going to come over here, we're going to drag that inside of here, and then we can find server room right there at the top. Okay, so then you just copy this over here, and then you got it right there. So now whenever you go to reinstall your system, or even to share your settings or to use on another system, then you can just simply copy this, put it in the same location, which is going to be inside of your app data, roaming, Adobe, Audition, and then whatever version number you have right here. Just drag and drop them inside of this folder and relaunch Adobe Audition, and then you will have all your presets and your favorites. I am Wayne Barron for Audio-Technica Studios. Y'all have a good one now. Bye-bye.